Buenas, and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing Company. Today we are in Hallandale, Bergen County, New Jersey. On this project we have two solar fan GIF we're gonna install, and of course our GIF solar fan, it comes with the thermostat and good to go. So basic, no electricity needed. All the time we highly recommend using a GIF branding. On the beginning with our project, so we have one solar fan already up to the roof. So we have our machine right here, and our technician is here making the new penetration for the solar fan, and we're gonna install two, so the other one will go there. Okay, so at this point now we are making the new penetration on the roof. So this is construction fan installation, because sometimes it's just about replacing and sometimes it's new installation. So this one is new. We have to go all around, and it will be like round penetration. Okay, so our new hole is done, and now we are gonna install the new solar fan. And as usual, before we do the permanent installation, we do some testing, and at this point we can see the new solar fan, it starts working without any electricity. And we provide 2 years labor guarantee with, let's say, anything happen if it's leaking or whatever. Okay, and GAF provide 5 years guarantee on the machine. All right, so Three Brothers are roofing the solution when it's come to attic fan for commercial or residential. All right, so as we see right here, we have our two solar fan installer and good to go. Okay, another project completed by Three Brothers Roofing Company. That's it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Chop chop.